Hi, this is Dorothy Smith. I feel like it's been ages since I've done a video, and I apologize. I decided I couldn't stand it, and I have to put all these together, the rest of the Craft with Heart, the subscription, because they were really, really cute, and I really want to get them, give them their due just. And this video, just for full transparency, took me, I mean, not the video, but the putting them together, both layouts took me 29 minutes altogether. And I just wanted to tell you that, so I speeded up to like 175%, but just to give you an idea of how long it actually took, is the 29 minutes. So that's pretty good. It's usually around 30 to 35 minutes. And, you know, if you didn't cut these out, you'd save yourself another few seconds. But for those of us who get confused, I do it. So here we go. And cute little ladybugs on this one. This one's really, really adorable. Great if you have little girls, which I wish I had a little girl. But I've got a big boy. He's going to be 25 coming up soon, which, is that right? 25? Yeah, because he was born in 95. So anyway, I will save this for my granddaughters, she says with hopeful anticipation, because we're not even close to him being married yet. So forever hopeful. Anyway, if he ever has a little girl, she will be spoiled. My goodness. I'll get in trouble. Oh, well. Okay, so I am putting this together. This little pie thing is just so cute. You could probably make your own just with some little, make a big circle and then cut them into little pizza slices and then put dashed lines around them. You could totally do that yourself. But how nice that you don't even have to do it. It's all done for you. All the thinking and everything. So we are COVIDing here. My husband and I are just don't go out unless we really need to get some particular food item that we forgot to order. So I don't know how you all are doing it, but we're staying inside. So we don't take a chance. There's a lot of people who aren't wearing masks, and it's really frustrating to see that. But, you know, it's all about public health and taking care and caring about each other, is my opinion. So, of course, I'm having to take a sticker off because I got the lines crooked. So you may want to make sure your lines are straight before you go sticking it down, because I think that they put extra strong adhesive on these stickers. They are just crazy strong. So that's a good thing. So anyway, here are these adorable little ladybugs that I'm popping up with my foam tape. I need to make some more shaker cards so I can use the foam from the shaker cards. She's adorable, right? So cute. So, you know, this seems particularly easy to me. So anything I can pop up on these, I'm going to pop up. I mean, you can totally, there's enough empty space on these layouts that you could totally embellish way more. I'm just showing you how they come with the instructions. But you could totally do way more than what I do. So I couldn't quite figure out with that red stripe how it was going to go from one end all the way to the other. And then I realized that there were little pieces there. So this little piece goes right there. And then you snug up the photo mat to that. And I'm putting the other little fatter piece there. So then this just totally gets snugged up to it. So you don't even have to measure how far from the edge. So there we go with that. And then I'm going to put my 3x3 photo, and then a 3x4 goes up, excuse me, on the other blue photo mat. I like that little whitewash thing below that, so you could add a little name or date or whatever to it, and it would totally show up real good. And then this one is overlapping. It actually overlaps into the picture, but I don't want to do that. So, and then this one gets the 3x4 up there in the corner, and the other one, the bigger one on the sunset color, gets a 4x6. So we have another pop-up that's going to go, well, but I used my glue dots instead. I'm running low. I need to go get some more foam tape to keep at my video table. So I like the color combination. It's reds, oranges, and pinks. Who knew? Okay, so this one, which will take a 3x4, is going to go there. And it's kind of equidistant, eyeballing from the matching color on the opposite side. And then you just continue that long banner. So that's how it fit there. It didn't fit there. It wasn't supposed to go all the way across. And I love this. I guess that's a glacier blue to go with the orange color. I don't know, what color is that? I mean, it looks like an, I think, don't know what color it is. Pardon me. Should have checked that out first. Anyway, they go beautifully together. I mean, oranges and blues are opposite on the color wheel. I've said that before, so they just complement each other beautifully. And this is going to get another journaling. So I kept the journaling, make sure that you keep the lines straight. So I'm putting the stickers in place, and look at this pretty little flower. So it's going to go just like that. And my husband is looking for me. And then the little pink, the adorable little pink ladybug is going to go on top of that flower. So I'm just popping it up also. Look at her. Look at how cute she is. You know, ladybugs have males too, Dorothy. Just so you know. Okay. Another ladybug. It's going to go down on that journaling, just like the other. On the left-hand side, the ladybug is right there by the journaling, bigger, well, not bigger, but the black scalloped journaling box. Well, this is, or circle. So this is the other smaller ladybug is going by the less prominent journaling area. And then it's going to say lady. And that's the end of those. They're cute. And then I'll just glue dot those. That's a good use for glue dots. And since I've got more of those here right now than the foam tape, then that works good. And then there's a sticker that goes over the lady that says little lady. I'm taking all the little inserts. And she just blends in, little just blends into the background. And all I need is this little tag to put a date on it, and a little heart by the little ladybug, and there you go. So cute. Oh, so cute. Love that. Even if I don't have a little girl. Okay. And then we've got, I love this heart with the rays coming out of it. And so that tag is going to go there, and it's going to take I think a 3x3. And then we've got, these banners are so cool. So we've got clouds and we've got these banners, but the banners come out of the clouds and they've got raindrops on them. And then the blue lines are for pouring. Unknown caller. Whoops, sorry. Spam risk. Don't want that. So I am putting I'll pop the clouds up and then have the rain and the droplets coming out from below the clouds. And this is for a rainy day. My goodness, so yesterday was Memorial Day. Oh my gosh, it rained all day long. So, I got all these hot dogs and hamburgers and buns and potato chips, hot Memorial Day kind of stuff, and steaks, because I thought, well, if I can't decide, then we'll have a steak. So it was pouring out. So I cooked inside. Oh, well, right? What can you do? I was hoping my son could come over and he could, cook and eat outside while we were inside. But that didn't happen. But it was a good day for sleeping. So, or binge watching TV. Not that my husband and I have done that, except that we've watched Grimm in its entirety. And now we're watching, what are we watching? Bosch. That's pretty good. It's lower key, which is really good because it doesn't get my heart beating so fast. Okay, so this is going to be, I had it aimed in the wrong direction at first with the sun rays going on the bottom. So you flip it over to the side, and then the sun goes in the middle, and you've got the cute little birds, and you can make more birds on there if you want. All you have to do is make, two curved lines with your jotting pen. I mean, pretty simple to make birds from afar. So we're going to have this big old rain storm here. This is so like Texas. We get these gigantic poofy clouds. And then it pours. It's not the long, gentle rains that I used to get on Long Island when I lived up there. That went on for days. But the weather has changed all over, so who knows? May not do that anymore up there. Okay, so see how this rain just comes out of there and it's banner? It's a banner. What a great idea. So it's raining on the flowers. It's good for the flowers. It's raining on all of my flowers outside. So here we've got another cloud that I'm popping up. And this one gets this banner. And they're really cute little raindrops. So it's pouring on the other cloud, and this one is just individual raindrops. So that's cool, right? And these placeholders for your photos, it's a 4x6 horizontal and then 2 vertical 3x6s. So they're just going to go snug up, and then you just have the dashed line going around the pictures. So that's your frame. And then can't use that all out. Here's another. I think this is some of my thin foam tape. Running out of that too. So this banner is going to go along the bottom of the right-hand page. And I like that it says My Sunshine. So, aren't your children your sunshine? That's why we sing that song to them. So on a rainy day. So whoever is your sunshine, that's who can go there. Okay, so here we come to our last So this one went particularly fast, I think. That's why it was only like 29 minutes. It was very, very easy to do. And, I just know that you can come up with 30 minutes to put 4 pages together. So there's my cloud and my raindrops. And there's some little journaling lines off to the side there. So there's really plenty of space to add some more journaling. You can make your own little journaling card. I've showed you how to do that. If you want to put some lines on it, because I need lines. Otherwise, my writing is all slanted. I'm a mess. I just can't. But you know what? It's not age. I've always been that way. My writing has always gone at a slant upwards. So I've got little banner arrow down at the bottom, and a 3x3, a 3x4, and a 4x6. So there's quite a few pictures on this layout, which and there's a little dot to pop out there. There's a little detail of a sticker with a reinforcer going around the circle, the hole punch. So there you go. How cute. It's very cute. I love it. So there's that one. And then we've got our ladybugs. So simple. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll show you some more stuff, some great techniques and fun things. Bye now.